Please forgive me for laughing, but I can't help it.
What are you laughing at?
Your legs.
What is so funny about my legs?
There's your shirt. And you travel so slowly, you're truly a funny sight.
I'm glad you are so amused. But let me tell you this. Even though you are as swift as wind, I can beat you in a race.
What did you say?
I said I can beat you in a race. Are you afraid to accept my challenge?
Afraid? You truly are a fool. You are so slow and I am so fast. How could you possibly win a race?
We will never know unless we try it. Why don't you stop laughing so we can race?
All right. I accept your challenge now. Who will decide what course we run?
Perhaps Fox over there will plan the course for us.
What can I do for you?
This silly tortoise has challenged me to run a race. Will you decide what course we are to run?
Certainly glad to be of help. The one who wins the peak for finish first is the window.
For the Euro book? Did you want the Euro
Fair
book?
enough.
I'm ready, tortoise. Are you?
Yes, I am ready.
Get ready. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh yeah. This is a silly race. I'm so far ahead, I can't even see the poor tortoise. I think I'll take a little nap in this cool grass. Well, that was a nice nap. I still don't see that silly tortoise. Might as well go to the peak of the mountain and wait for the tortoise.
Are you at the peak? Go to that chair for the peak. You're gonna win.
Hello, dear hare. Where have you been? You see, I told you I could beat you in a race, and I have.
Nice job.